vision? Are you here?
Apartments and alleyway parties, I'm out of the speakers and into your head. Rhythmic, arithmetic, I'm calculated the way that I painted and now you see red. I promise you, homie, hypnotic and holy, you follow my meaning and hear what I said. Weed in your head with that drink in your belly, it's scary how closely you follow the dead. Maybe it's habit or maybe your habitat, either way, breathe that it over your said. Down in the cul-de-sac, smoking your handicap, parents like walking the streets that you tread. Hey, follow my lips, watch as I dictate the way that you trip. Every line hits like the back of the gym. Drugs are my vehicle, you are my bitch. Feeling that itch as I pick at your core. Can't look away from the horror in store. Feeling the service, come run for the door. Demons and devils, a snake in the score. Even me out, flip on the fear. Try to pretend that it's not in your ears. Feel the impurity sink to the floor. Hide from the sickness, you know disappears. Hey,
When you're waking up, the world is a blur. What was clear in a dream suddenly makes no sense. No surreal rescues, no easy magic way out. But you are awake.